Hey citizens, welcome back to Life with Sid. A new vlog, new day. Yeah, so today we are going to Target. I'm actually going to go pick up some new lippies. I might run to Ulta Beauty and H&M to get some things. I'm trying to get all my items for my trip that's coming up, y'all. I'm getting excited. It's coming out very soon. Yeah, so I figure I'll pick you guys up and take you along with me to Target. And who knows, I know I want to go to Starbucks and get me a refresher. It's pretty nice out today. It's like 60 degrees. Okay, so let's hit the road and I will see y'all at Target. And before I go, if you're new here, welcome to Life of Sid. My name is Sydney and I do unboxing videos, lifestyle vlogs, and just a little bit of everything. Fashion hauls, you know, it's a vibe over here. It's a vibe, honey. So I will see y'all at Target.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. How can I help you?
Yes, how you doing? Do you have any the cream cheese bagels, the mini ones today?
I'm sorry, one more time?
The mini cream cheese bagels?
I'm sorry, we actually stopped carrying the Bantam bagels. I do have regular bagels if you'd like, with cream cheese.
Okay, I'll take a regular bagel toasted with cream cheese.
I have plain, I have everything, cinnamon raisin, or I have multigrain.
I'll take a plain.
Plain? Sure thing. You want it toasted, right?
Yes, please.
Okay. And with cream cheese, yeah?
Yes.
Cool. Anything else?
Yes, can I have a strawberry refresher with lemonade?
What size would you like that?
You can give me a tall. Is that the sweetest refresher you have?
They're all pretty sweet.
They're pretty
if you want it sweeter, we can add some like plastic syrup to it.
Just a little bit of syrup. Just a little hint.
Okay, anything else?
No, that'll be it.
Give me $7.52. Have a good one.
You too, thank you.
Hello.
How you doing? All right. I'm good.
Long way. How's your day going?
Can't complain.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice out today.
Yeah, it really is.
Yeah.
I think yesterday I was freezing by the window.
Yes, it was very cold yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm just over this winter.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm ready for the summer. It's that or I'm going down to Florida. One of them.
Yes, that sounds good.
Okay, it's gonna be $7.52. Sorry about that wait.
That's okay.
Here's two, around 48.
All right, keep $1 for yourself.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tall strawberry side with 2 punts of classic. Do you want a straw?
Yeah. Yes, please.
Yeah. Here you go.
Thank you.
And then your plain bag, all warm with plain cream cheese.
All right, thank you, Rich.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Do you want some napkins?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good one. So guys, I'm gonna pull over real quick because this is my breakfast / lunch. Let me just pull over and eat this bagel. Yeah, I wouldn't know what to do if my backup camera didn't work. Like, I got so used to driving with a backup camera and sensors. You know, the little things that beep when you get close to stuff. It's like, I wouldn't know what to do. I can't drive without it. I really depend on it. It's sad. This bagel looks good. I mean, they don't have the mini ones no more. I wonder why they stopped carrying them. They were like perfect little on-the-go bagels. Nobody want no whole bagel. Just give me a little quick on-the-go bagel. I don't have them put the cream cheese on here because it'll go to like Manhattan bagel. The cream cheese be so thick. Like, is it this a slice of meat or is it cream cheese? Nobody needs all that cream cheese. Just some flavor. Just a little bit of flavor. And a little bit of sugar. Go a long way in these refreshers. Let's see. Oh yeah. 2 pumps of syrup. Just right. I'm gonna tear down this bagel and I will see y'all at Target. It's the one I wanted. They don't have it. This is the one I wanted. They don't have it. Did I have it? So I think I'm gonna go with ginger snap. Might be too dark. So I'm gonna try fortune cookie. And I'm gonna try eclair. Now, you know, when you go in Target, you never come out with just the things you went in there for. Like, I done bought a whole basket for my living room. I don't even need it, y'all. I don't even need it. But it's cute. So, I got it. Yeah, so I don't know why. But it was cute, so I got it. Alright, I'm going to go home and pick up Babe. Look where he shades in his hat because the sun is... I'm going to go pick up Babe. So, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright guys, before I close out this vlog, I want to show y'all what I got from Target. And I have a package that I'm going to unbox with you guys. So I just picked up some Dove body wash. This is the cocoa butter one. I never tried this one before, but I love cocoa butter scent. So I'm going to try this one out. I got the regular one as well, just in case I don't like this one. But I love this pump. My husband got me this one before. I usually get the one where you squeeze out, but I really like the pump. I feel like you get so much more in this pump, and it's not as messy as the one when you squeezing everything out. Then I always get these white rags. I don't know how many come in here. It's like an 8-pack. You get them from for like $14, I think. And I kind of use them kind of like disposable for my face. So I go through these a lot. I need to just start buying the disposable face cloths. But I don't know, it's something about these. I just like fresh white washcloths. And then I always get Babe Gray, but I don't like to use, because you ever put one of these in the washing machine or like in the sink before you wash it, it's so much dye in these. So I really don't like to use the gray ones. I use the white. And I got some more Tree Hut body scrub, and I got the Shea Sugar scrub, of course, in the coconut flavor or scent. So I'll see how this one. This is my first time trying this one. Oh, it smells so good. And if y'all haven't tried these Tree Hut body scrubs, you have to try them. So, and I picked up some shower gloves. I've been trying to get these for months. Target, we haven't had these in so long in my Target, but I finally got a pair. Some shaving cream, and then I got me 2 butter gloss from NYX. So I hope they're cute. I'm gonna try this one. I got the Fortune Cookie, and I got Eclair. Alright guys, so I have a package that I've been dying to open. It's been sitting for a couple days, and I was gonna do a classic unboxing in my closet, but I can't wait, and I want to open them right now. So I figured this would be the perfect closeout for my vlog. I have the Yeezy foam runners, and then they just come in this plain old box with nothing on it. So it's just your size. And I've seen a couple people unbox them, so I already know what to expect. And let's get it open. And then when you open them, it's like that. So it's like this, the box is inside out. And we ordered these from StockX. And here they are. So cute. I Can't wait to put them on. They are so unique. They are so ugly and cute at the same time. And then on the inside of the box, it has the size and all the stuff that used to be on the outside of the box. I'm going to try them on and I'm going to let y'all see them on foot. And I got these in a size 5, which I usually get my YESSSSS in a size 5. And I've seen a couple reviews where they said they run true to size. So, try them on. I'm trying them on, babe.
Oh boy.
Hopefully the 5 fit. Yeah, they fit. If I would have got a 6, it would have been too big. So lightweight. I think I like these better than Crocs. Okay guys, that is it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a little short, but I will be vlogging this weekend. Yes, I will. So that's why this one's a little short. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Until next time, sis signing off. Peace.